First, start with 3 pieces of bacon and a cold non-stick frying pan. Put it to medium heat, cook it, and cook it to the consistency that you enjoy eating your bacon. The bacon's coming out amazing. I'm slowly cooking it. I went from medium to medium low. I want to utilize the bacon fat, and that's how we're going to make our egg and bacon McMuffin more delicious than any place where you can pick one up on your way to either school or work or just when you're out and about. The bacon looks amazing. I just can't believe it. This is how I like it, so I might just move it over and let it dry on paper towel, and all the excess oil or bacon fat will go in there. And now I'm going to put the frying pan back on high and go from there. Not high, medium, sorry. And I'm just going to do this like this. I like that painting. And I'm just moving the bacon drippings around. And then the secret weapon, I'm going to also, and these heat up pretty quick, I'm going to use some of the bacon fat around mason jar lids. You can find them anywhere, and they're very inexpensive, and they're meant for high heat. So this is the perfect hack for getting a round egg. Some will leak out when I crack the eggs in them, but don't worry, you'll see something really cool. So let's flip these over. And then let's crack the eggs. I love cracking eggs in these mason jar lids. Oh, you just heard the toaster. The English muffins are ready. There's the first egg. Don't worry if some escapes. That's an easy fix. And here's the second egg. It looks beautiful. Same fork as before. I'm just going to break this, and I'm going to break this. Oh, and I hear the toaster again. I know that some people like to toast theirs in the bacon grease, but again, I want it to be amazing tasty and also have some health factors with it. So this is easy. This is an easy fix. There we go. Oh, that's still forming. And this is magic. We're going to flip these over too. And I'm just going to utilize this. This is a lot faster and easier to use. It doesn't matter which egg it goes in. We're going to flip these so you're going to get that perfect cook on both sides. Some people might say throw a lid on. Yeah, you can do that. That's one of my things that I love to do if you watch my previous videos. And then I want to press down, so I seal it. I like to cook it slowly, still on medium heat. And that looks delicious. I'm being very meticulous. You don't have to do this at all if you don't want to. And you don't even have to save the egg on the outside. You can just eat it afterwards and call it a egg edible. Okay. I'm going to put it to medium high now and go from there. In the meantime, I'm going to grab the English muffins. Here are the English muffins. I'm going to use the best invention ever. slice, well, one of the best American inventions of all time, slice or cheese slices. I'm going to put them on the English muffin right away from the heat from the frying pan. I mean, not frying pan, from the toaster. And of course, when we put the egg on top, it's also going to help melt the cheese. We're not adding any salt of any sort. There's enough salt in the bacon. We're not adding any spices. The cheese, bacon, and egg is all you need. And of course, English muffins. It's looking better and better every second. We're not ready to flip it yet, and it's an easy flip. And a lot of the bacon fat has moved to the back here, so you don't have to worry about all the bacon fat. But again, you want that taste of a fast food place like McDonald's. So utilizing the bacon fat will really give you that taste that you're looking for. We're almost ready to flip it. This one seems a lot more, oh, this one's ready to flip. So I'm going to use the fork that I used to cook the bacon and the spatula and move it over. And then I'm going to switch hands because I'm a righty and flip it. And look at that. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. That is so beautiful. And this one is ready to set too. Same thing. Righty and flip. Wow. There's not that much left that we need to cook. In the meantime, I'm going to break up the bacon and put it on bonus. The reason why I did 3 slices is you can really have an extra piece to eat, but I love to break up a bacon and a half per English muffin. Look how beautiful this is. And the eggs are almost ready to go in this amazing English muffin, already set to go. And the heat from the egg will help with the melting of the cheese further, and of course the taste. I'm going to flip them over now, and they should come out easily. Let's find out. I'm just moving it from the top off. There we go. Look how beautiful that is. Like, that is so beautiful. You can't get better than this. I'm going to put it right on. You can show both sides. Look at that. I'm going to put it on the English muffin right away. And let me do it to the other one now. Oh, that was the easier one. And again, these lids go right in the dishwasher. Look how beautiful that is. Look how amazing that is. This is amazing. You can't go wrong with this. Look how amazing this is. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment. Let me know if it's as delicious as I said it is. And look at that bad boy. Look at this. I'm going to enjoy this. Again, ciao for now.